A WatchGuard Firebox firewall is a crucial network security appliance, acting as a robust barrier between your internal network and external threats like the internet. It offers comprehensive security features including intrusion prevention, anti-malware, web filtering, and VPN capabilities to safeguard your network. For initial configuration, IT professionals access the Firebox's web-based setup wizard, typically via the default IP address https://10.0.1.1 to 8080. The basic setup wizard guides you through essential steps like configuring network interfaces, defining security policies, and setting administrative passwords. Additionally, administrators should understand security zones, configure basic ND rules, and ensure the firmware is always up to date for optimal protection. This foundational setup ensures your Firebox is operational with fundamental security measures, ready for more advanced configurations.